Hi guys, right now I will show you a hidden feature in our Lexus GX550. You have to go to Vehicle, you have to go to Seat Controls, and here you will see Massage. Next you will need to choose one of the two front seats. I'll choose the driver's seat, but you can enable both of them. And here you will see all different options for the massage in your vehicle. Centripetal, centrifugal, upper body, lower body, lumbar, and it shows you basically what's gonna happen when you choose all these different options. So I'll choose centrifugal, upper body, lower body, only the legs, and only lumbar. So you can target all these different sections. You can change the intensity. Right now I will choose maximum right now, and trust me guys, it's gonna be hard to show you how it feels, but it does feel good right now. My lower back is being massaged and it feels amazing. I will choose now centripetal. Now the whole seat is going to work, is going to do the massage, and even visually you will be able to see how the surface of the seat changes, raises and lowers as it does the massage. So it basically goes like this right now, from one section to another, and yeah, I can feel it right here. How cool is that, guys? Hopefully this tip will be helpful. If you didn't know about this function in your GX550, you should definitely try it. And like I said guys, you have to go to Vehicle, Seat Controls and Massage. Thank you guys for watching. We'll see you in the next video.